juicy and red. B is for butterfly, wings widespread. C is for car, zooming so fast. D is for dolphin, swimming past. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fire truck, racing along. G is for garden, flowers so bright. H is for helicopter, flying in sight. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jellyfish, wiggling feet. K is for kite, soaring up high. L is for lighthouse, shining at night. N is for monkey, swinging around. N is for nest, where eggs are found. O is for octopus, deep in the sea. P is for penguin, waddling with glee. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rainbow, shining down. S is for sun, glowing so bright. T is for train, chugging inside. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, tunes floating by. W is for waterfall, splashing below. X is for xylophone, playing a show. I is for yo-yo, spinning so fast. Z is for zebra, stripes that last. Now we've sung our ABCs. Learning letters is so easy.